Hey everyone, welcome back to Team Coyle's Real Estate Hub, your go-to spot for all things real estate. So if you're thinking about buying or selling a home, you might be wondering, do I really need a real estate agent? Maybe you're thinking, I probably know the market better than any agent out there. Or possibly, I can save some money by doing it all myself. Or how hard can it be? Look, I'm a DIY guy myself. Let's be honest though, experience matters. And we're not talking about buying or selling a pair of shoes. We're talking about a serious investment of money that for most people is probably the biggest investment they ever made or ever will. So be smart, get some professional help, and don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. And don't try and cut corners just to save a few bucks. Selling or buying a house is just too damn important for that. And no one wants to be that person who missed out on a great deal because they let their feelings or ego get in the way. Hire a professional and experienced real estate agent. Take the emotion out of the equation and let them negotiate on your behalf. A good agent will protect your interests and secure you the best possible deal. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.